Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip on US Highway 11 North, and we begin as we leave the town of Wytheville at Highway 11's mile 72. We're hitching a ride on an interstate here with US 52 South, I-77 South, and I-81 North in concurrency. US 52 is an oddball, being an even-numbered highway that's bannered north-south. The bannering of US 52 varies from state to state, depending on which direction covers the most distance in that particular state. US 52 is another diagonal highway, like US 11, and we've run into it numerous times on 504 road trips. A large part of it runs concurrent with I-94 between St. Paul, Minnesota and Jamestown, North Dakota. We've also crossed US 52 in our I-29 series, US 61 series, I-85 series, and I-55 series. This wrong-way concurrency here has 2 highways bannered north and 2 bannered south, but we're actually heading mostly east during the concurrency. Here at exit 80, our concurrency with US 52 ends. We're in a census-designated place called Fort Chiswell, named for a fort used as an outpost in the French and Indian War circa 1758. When Wythe County was formed, the fort was used as the county seat until the courthouse and county seat were moved to Wytheville. The fort fell into disrepair, and the remains of it were completely covered over in the 1970s when the I-81-I-77 junction was built. A small pyramid with historical markers was placed to the north of the interstate, nowhere near the road and apparently only accessible via a private driveway. So the large trumpet interchange at the site of the old fort ahead is where the concurrency with I-77 ends, leaving Highway 11 alone with I-81 for a few miles. We enter Pulaski County, which had a population of 33,800 as of the 2020 census. Pulaski County, established on March 30th, 1839, was carved out of sections from Montgomery and Wythe counties, marking it as Virginia's 87th county. It took its name from Count Casimir Pulaski, a Polish nobleman who fought alongside George Washington's forces during the American Revolution. Pulaski joined the Army in 1777, rising to the ranks of Brigadier General and Chief of Cavalry in the Continental Army before being fatally injured at Savannah on October 11, 1779. The region, situated in the Blue Ridge, boasts undulating hills and was primarily settled by small farmers, mainly Scots-Irish and German immigrants, and their descendants, who migrated from Pennsylvania through the Shenandoah Valley in the latter half of the 18th century. We leave I-81 at exit 89B, which leads to the town of Pulaski. We'll be following a winding mountain road for several miles here, and we'll see signs advising tractor-trailers not to use this route, although the signs seem to be in a location where it's already too late to turn back. We'll end this video with a stop at the Draper Mountain Overlook, where we got out of the car and did a little exploring on foot. So hazy. We'll conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click on the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.